Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. I actually have a great video for you guys, and today we're actually learning a interview question you may come across if you're applying as a software developer, and that is implementing Fibonacci numbers. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the definition is. So here, as you can see, Fibonacci numbers may be defined by recurrence relation. All right, if we check the top, we have the Fn, and below we have the numbers. So if you guys see, we have F0, F1, we always start at 0. So we're going to be basically adding. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, and so on. And it's basically a scenario where it just keeps on multiplying back into the next. So we'll go ahead and go through this on VS Code. If you guys want to follow along, that's great. Go ahead and boot up VS Code or whatever you prefer. All right, so first we are going to want to create a function. So let's do def fib number. All right. So right here we have our index number, and here we have our function. So for today, I'm going to be using a generator over a list. Technically, you could use a list for this, but generator makes it a lot easier, as you can go through with me and you'll see. So basically, we're going to be returning all numbers using a generator by outputting the numbers. So next we are going to do the start of the numbers. Let's do A is equal to 0, because you guys know we always start at 0. And then B is equal to 1. All right, next we are going to want to do a range generator to the loop. So for I in range, we're going to do number. And this is basically what's going to provide that loop. We're going to do yield A, and then we're going to do a temporary for A also. As you'll see in a second, we are going to do A is equal to B, because as you can see, 0 to 1, and we go up from there. And we're going to want to add the first numbers to get the next number. So we're going to do B is equal to temp, because you saw we put temp is equal to A. And then we're going to add B to that. So B is equal to temp plus B. So B is equal to A plus B. All right, we're going to go down a couple lines. And now we're going to do for X in fib, we are going to put 20, because when you guys looked at the Wikipedia, we saw that it went up to 19, and we always start at 0, so it'd be 0 to 20, which will actually be the FN 19. And we're going to go ahead and print that out. So we'll do print X. All right, we have our terminal down below to determine if this is right. Let's go ahead and hit enter and then run this. Oh, looks like we have a syntax error right after 20. Oh, that is my bad, guys. All right, now we can go ahead and run this. Oh, it looks like we have another error after 4 for I in range number. This is the best part about programming. You get to figure out your errors. There we go. All right, so we got that finished up. All right, it looks like for the 19th, it says 4181. Let's go ahead and go back and look at that. For the 19th, 4181. Hope you guys enjoyed this exercise and learned a couple things from my mistakes too. If you follow along, I would definitely continue working on that until you get it. It's really a great exercise to improve your understanding. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.